వీడియో తీస్తున్నారు కదా, అది నాకు కాపీ కావాలి ఎలా?
మీరు నాకు ఈవెంట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఇవ్వండి, డ్రైవ్లో షేర్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే, లేదు మీ నంబర్ చెప్పండి.
98
Our beloved director, the distinguished guests and delegates, my dear students, a very good afternoon. So, I welcome our director sir and the guest with a token of traditional material. So it is like our director. Before I did the introduction, I just wanted to so today we have engineer Surya Prakash Garu. He is the founder director of Satyavani Projects and Consultancy. He has done his post-graduation from IIT Madras and he started his firm in 1994. Thereafter, for today, it is with 100 employees and 300 clients almost across India and abroad. And it is very great to have him here for the talk. And he is the man behind bridging the gap between academia and industry through his idea called Smart Infra, providing lot of internship opportunities for students like you. So it is really our privilege to welcome him here and listen to him. So thank you. And then I heartily welcome Surya Prakash Garu to take over and share his thoughts on traditional material. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all of you and the respected director and faculty of this institution. It's my great privilege to be among you today because I am associated with this campus since 1995, with designing structures and managing the execution of the structures. Right now, we are also associated with this hostel buildings of this institute actually. So it's my privilege to be among you, and I congratulate all of you for having chosen to be part of this event. It's a very, it's a subject very close to my heart actually. That is using the natural materials. I always had doubt right from my childhood. I am from a village actually, very rural background. So I used to see a lot of these thatched roofs and brick and mud mortar constructions and tiled roofs, bamboo, all this, it's not very new to me. I am brought up in such an environment where it's a usual daily sight for me. When I go to my school or when I go to my college, I used to watch all this. But having come into engineering, I always had a doubt in the back of my mind. What is it that I have seen and why I am not doing that? This is my doubt actually. I am sure you also must be having that doubt. So, in fact, when Dilip asked me, this is the first time I am delivering a lecture on use of natural materials for housing construction. That's my theme actually. Because housing is something which is very important for everyone, every human being. And it's most neglected by the rulers actually. This is my comment, I would say. Because I have been studying last 5 years on affordable housing. Though I am associated with affordable housing as a consultant, I have completed about 5 million square feet of affordable housing. And right now I am doing another 5 million square feet of affordable housing. You know, affordable housing by name means to be reachable to the common man or poor people as regards to cost. Even I had the opportunity attending a lecture of Abdul Kalam in 2005, way back, 2005 or 8, I think. he was president then, and he was asking engineers from IITs. Actually, it was an IIT alumni meet. So there he was questioning the engineers why we are not able to give a house for 1 lakh rupees. This is the question even today. We are not able to deliver a house for 1 lakh rupees. Yesterday only I was telling one of the students that to deliver a house at 2 lakh rupees is impossible today. It's impossible. Other than these natural materials which we are talking about. So I'll be opening up that topic. I am also excited to talk about this topic because first time I am delivering a lecture on this. So I'll just give a brief introduction about housing and then building construction materials, what are all the possible materials and ancient building materials, and Indian housing, what is Indian housing and historic Indian building. If we study this, we'll get to know some ideas definitely, and we can improve. I've already seen your exhibits here. It's really good actually. I appreciate all of you who have done every bit of that housing with natural materials. It's really good, ideas are good, and execution also is equally good. So, basically, population is increasing worldwide, not only in India. We know the current world population has reached 7 billion in the last 4 decades, from 3 billion. And now it's going to be 9 billion in another 2 decades. So how does this world meet the needs of habitat for this population? So we have two problems if we divide. One is urban. Urbanization is also rapidly happening much faster than population growth actually. That means Hyderabad city alone, I keep telling that it has taken 400 years to reach the population of 10 million. Now Hyderabad population is 10 million. And it is estimated by 2040, Hyderabad population will be 20 million. It's not the population growth, it is the urbanization growth. So this is a challenge for every engineer, every ruler to frame policies to see that people get the housing for all these people, you know. So this is the challenge. So need for creation of housing is there, and Hyderabad alone, as I said, we have so much, and if you take all over India, it's much bigger challenge actually. Hyderabad is smaller when compared to all over India scenario. But urban challenge, the only way that we can meet is because land is limited, you can't grow horizontally. So we have to grow vertically only. And vertically means we have to have the technologies, we have to use the materials. So I'll keep it aside. Only the precast or some of the concrete structures or steel structures are only possible to meet this kind of demand. But where do we think of this natural material? It is the rural actually. So when we said the population is going to be added by 2 billion, it's going to be in both rural and urban. There will be urbanization and growth of rural. So whatever natural materials we are talking about are possible more to be used in rural areas. So at least, but what we are doing is even the rural population, we are making them believe that it's only the concrete and steel that can be used for construction. If I am using vitrified tiles in Hyderabad, even in remotest village they try to use vitrified tiles. And similarly, marble flooring. Actually, if you have come to Hyderabad 30 years back, every apartment is built using marble only. And every apartment had teakwood windows. And now today, if you visit every apartment, you can see the brochures. It will be vitrified tiles and UPVC windows. So it is a trend like, we should depart from that. We should, being engineers, we should analyze which is really advantageous. So that's what today I am going to do for you. So first, house. What is a house actually? Let us think of the need for a house. Do we need a house? It's my question, because you will be surprised, Hyderabad alone, 3 million people are not living in proper house. I got the survey done by our BTech students only. They have done the survey, I have the video recordings of the people living in just under a flexi. No roof actually. So the so-called bastis or slums. We have 2,000 bastis and slums in Hyderabad alone. Every area you name, we have these bastis and slums. So if they are living in under flexi, can we make them a better house? And our findings of survey was that they don't want to utilize the government provided houses because they're not confident that they will get the ownership. The nagarka nagatka, like the saying, in fact, this is the feedback we got when we did the survey from the people who are living in such a sorrow condition, that they said, even if you are going to give me the palace, I don't want it, because you will displace first from me from this place, and I'm not sure whether I get it or not, the real house. So let me be what I am today. This is the feedback we got. So it is our now job to analyze, can we make a better house for them as they are right now. So let us work on it for urban, as far as urban is concerned. That means transform these slums and bastis into better livable places. Just let's not promise them the best houses. At least make them better houses. So what is the need for a house? Let's analyze. First is the climatic zones. In India, the entire country is divided into 6 climatic zones. And for your information, the government of India is going to organize a technology challenge competition internationally. And they are inviting people